Have you ever opened a SQL query written by someone else and spent more time understanding it than actually using it? That is exactly the problem this project solves. Today, I want to show you a local AI-powered SQL Query Explainer built using Next.js and Ollama. The idea is simple. You paste any SQL query into the application, and within seconds, it breaks down the logic into a format that is easy to understand. Whether it is a simple select statement or a large enterprise query filled with joins, aggregations, window functions, subqueries, and common table expressions, the goal is to make SQL understandable for everyone. One of the things I wanted from the beginning was privacy and simplicity. Everything runs locally on your machine. There are no paid APIs involved, no cloud processing, and no need to send sensitive SQL code to external services. Your queries stay within your environment while still benefiting from AI-powered analysis. The interface is intentionally minimal. A clean dark theme, a SQL editor, and a simple action to start the explanation process. Instead of overwhelming users with dozens of controls, the focus is entirely on helping them understand their SQL as quickly as possible. For this demonstration, we are using a relatively complex SQL query. The query contains multiple joins, filtering logic, aggregations, ranking calculations, and analytical processing. Normally, understanding a query like this would require reading it line by line, mentally tracing table relationships, and figuring out how data moves through each step of the execution process. Once the Explain button is clicked, the application begins a structured analysis workflow. The first step is understanding the syntax and structure of the SQL statement. The system identifies tables, columns, joins, conditions, aggregations, and other important components. It then maps the relationships between the different entities involved in the query. After understanding the structure, the application traces a logical execution flow. It determines how the query processes data, what transformations occur at each stage, and how the final result is produced. The next phase focuses on interpretation. Instead of only describing SQL syntax, the system converts a technical implementation into plain English. This helps developers, analysts, data engineers, students, and even business users understand what the query is actually trying to accomplish. One of my favorite parts of this application is the transparency of the analysis process. Rather than showing a generic loading spinner, the interface displays the different reasoning stages as they happen. Users can see exactly what the AI is doing and how it is building the explanation. This creates a more educational experience and helps users build a stronger understanding of SQL itself. Once the analysis is complete, the results are presented in a structured format. The first section explains the overall purpose of the query. Instead of reading hundreds of lines of SQL, users immediately understand the objective and expected outcome. The next section provides a detailed breakdown of the query logic. This includes how tables are connected, how filters are applied, how aggregations are calculated, and how the final data set is generated. Another powerful feature is the execution flow visualization. This transforms the SQL query into a sequence of logical processing steps. You can clearly see how data moves from source tables through joins, filters, calculations, grouping operations, ranking logic, and finally into the output. This visualization is particularly useful when dealing with legacy SQL code or onboarding new team members. Instead of spending hours explaining query logic manually, the application generates a clear representation automatically. The tool also focuses on business understanding. Beyond explaining syntax, it explains outcomes. It helps users understand what information is being calculated, what metrics are being generated, and how the results can be interpreted from a business perspective. For developers, this can significantly reduce the time required to review unfamiliar SQL. For analysts, it makes complex logic easier to validate. For students, it creates a practical learning experience by connecting SQL syntax with actual business meaning. What makes this project especially interesting is that it demonstrates how local AI can solve real-world problems. We often see AI being used for large and complex applications, but sometimes the most valuable solutions are the ones that remove everyday friction from a developer's workflow. This project was built using Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Ollama for local AI inference. The architecture is lightweight, fast, privacy friendly, and completely focused on improving the SQL learning and analysis experience. Thank you for watching.